today we're going to be working on our kettlebell swing. Now this is one of the most popular kettlebell movements out there because it does such a great job at engaging all of the muscles inside of our body. Now before we jump in with the actual kettlebell, I'm going to run you through this motion. We're going to pretty much go into a deadlift here, pushing the hips back, keeping the back nice and straight here, dropping our arms down and driving forward. Now while we're finishing out that deadlift, especially in this movement, it's super important to get a nice and strong engagement from the hamstrings and a strong squeeze in the glutes here to generate power. That power is then going to move upwards. We're going to get a nice and tight contraction in our core here. So the power is going to transfer through. That way our arms can lift the kettlebell nice and tall to end parallel to the floor. Okay, if you're going all the way up here, you're lifting way too high. Now understand that when we grab onto a kettlebell for a kettlebell swing, you're not going to be able to lift this thing up with your arms. If you try, you're probably going to hurt your shoulders pretty badly. So it makes even more, not even more sense, it's even more important than ever to make sure that that momentum from the lower body is transferring through so that we can help carry that kettlebell up with the upper body there. So a couple examples here. Push back and drive forward, push back and drive forward. Make sure we have a firm grip on the kettlebell at all times. It's super important while we're doing this to keep nice and engaged in the core because, again, this is a power transfer from the lower body to the upper body to help get that kettlebell up nice and tall. So that is our kettlebell swing.